Good day and welcome all roboteers and robotics enthusiasts to the 2020 WRO South Africa announcement. Hands-On Technologies began exploring the World Robot Olympiad in 2008. After officially becoming the national organizer in 2009, they began the Olympiad with 40 teams in 2010. The growth has been substantial and enthusiasm gaining continuously, showing a jump from 558 teams in 2018 to 730 teams in 2019. Each team, consisting of 2 to 3 members, counts to approximately 1,800 learners taking part last year. Many of these teams are part of our very successful entry-level competition, the Explorer category, which runs in South Africa only. WRO has 5 main competition categories. 1. Regular, in which teams solve a challenge on a game mat. 2. Open, where teams present their project solutions to judges. 3. Football, where 2 teams with 2 robots play a match using an infrared ball. 4. Advanced robotics category, which is more advanced for university students. And 5. In South Africa, we run an entry-level robotics competition called Explorer, leading to WRO proper. There are specific age groups for each category. Be aware the rules stipulate that the ages are dictated by the age of the participant at 31 December in the year of the competition. The theme for 2020 is Climate Squad, and all challenges relate to this theme in some way. In regular category, teams design, build, and program their robots to solve a particular solution. They need to rebuild their robots on the day from scratch before running them in the new environment. Teams have 2 to 3 turns of a maximum of 2 minutes to get their highest score in the shortest time. We Do category uses the We Do 2.0 specific set only. The newly launched Spike Prime can now be used in Explorer, regular, and open categories, along with EV3. Lego NXT, EV3 Education, and Lego Retail sets can be used in Explorer, regular and open categories, along with any Lego branded building pieces. Open category is not limited to Lego controllers anymore. Any other controllers, for example Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc., can also be used with any programming languages of your choice. Football matches take a round-robin format in sections to determine the rankings, which decide which teams move on to the finals round. This is the final year of our Advanced Robotics category, which will be replaced by a Future Engineers Challenge with more appropriate age group. Please see the WRO 2020 rules for technical requirements and specifications. At this point, we hope you are interested in participating. Follow the above instructions on how to get going. Robotics should definitely be fun. Fun designing, fun building, fun programming, fun testing, fun fixing, fun learning, and fun feeling good when you improve on your last attempt. To keep you busy with robotics and WRO, the following is an introduction for you to use Lego Digital Designer, Lego Studio, and VRT, Virtual Robotics Toolkit, for a limited time. For a short introduction to LDD, Lego Digital Designer, meet Eric Hodana.
Lego Digital Designer is a freeware Lego CAD software. It is available for Mac OS and Windows. The software allows users to build models using virtual Lego bricks in a computer-aided design-like manner. The software has 3 themes, which are Lego Digital Designer, Lego Mindstorms, and Lego Digital Designer Extended. The great thing about the software is the unlimited number of parts that you have at your disposal, because there is never enough pieces when that creative element kicks in. This is a great tool to build and store all your WRO designs digitally and later export them to the Virtual Robotics Toolkit.
A short Lego Studio 2.0 presentation compiled by Duncan Beaton. For an introduction to VRT, Virtual Robotics Toolkit, we thank Yuri de Jager.
This is the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, a robotics simulation software program that offers students opportunities to design, program, and control their very own robot, regardless of whether the physical hardware is available or not. Simulated robots are available 24/7 and are based on the LEGO EV3 Mindstorm system and EV3G coding language and interface. With this toolkit, you can build and program your robot using the same tools as you would on a real thing. Robots can also be designed and imported into VRT with CAD tools like LEGO Digital Designer. Competitors in the World Robot Olympiad would find this simulation valuable, as maths and elements of WRO challenges from 2016 to the latest 2020 Climate Squad are available to use and practice on.
My name is Duncan. This slide gives you information about the digital tools you can download, including LEGO Digital Designer, Studio 2.0, as well as the Virtual Robotics Toolkit. In order to access the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, please go to our website, click on the WRO resources page, and click on Virtual Robotics Toolkit. There you'll be able to access a PDF which will give you instructions on how to install the COVID-19 60-day free trial of Virtual Robotics. And here are some useful links and websites for you to visit. Be sure to visit our website www.wrosa.co.za. Here is where you will find the latest news as well as competition registration and competition details for the year 2020 and any following year. Try out the WRO-SA Facebook page. This is where we put a lot of our news and it's updated regularly.
Here are your World Robot Olympiad South African provincial contacts for 2020. Please feel free to email them with any queries you may have about this year's South African competition. If your province is not represented here, please contact Donnie Heymans, our national organizer, and he will assist you. South Africa has performed extremely well in the international competitions over the past years, and being part of the South African team is an incredible and life-changing experience. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you all soon, whether in person or online.